This video will show you how to connect your Garmin account and device with Oakley Meta AI glasses and use the integrated features to get hands-free insights while you work out. Before we begin, please make sure your setup is ready. First, ensure that the latest versions of the Garmin Connect and Connect IQ apps are installed on your phone. Next, verify that your compatible Garmin device is updated and paired. Also, make sure your Oakley Meta AI glasses are set up and linked to the Meta AI mobile app. Finally, check that both the glasses software and the Meta AI app are updated to their latest versions. Now let's get started by linking your Garmin account to the Meta AI app. This allows you to ask Meta AI questions about your workouts or generate media overlays for your past workouts. In the Meta AI app, tap the glasses icon in the top right corner. Select your device. Then select App Connections. From there, select Garmin, and tap Connect Garmin. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the connection and agree to the terms. You can toggle on historical data to share your activity history with Meta AI. Next, you'll be guided through connecting your Garmin device to your AI glasses for hands-free access to real-time activity data, status LED, and Autocapture. Tap Install on your Garmin device. Select a compatible Garmin device from the list. Then, go to your Garmin device to continue setup. Once installation is complete, your Garmin device will prompt you to set up the data field. You can choose which activity profiles to add the Meta AI data field to. Meta AI works best during activities such as running, cycling, hiking, skiing, or snowboarding. After making your selection, scroll down and tap Done. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. To confirm that setup was successful, open one of the selected activities on your device and check the data screens. You should see a glasses icon on one of your data screens. Once setup is complete, you can start using the features enabled by the Garmin and Meta AI integration. First, you can create custom running and cycling workouts using Meta AI. For example, you can say, "Hey Meta, create a 1-hour bike workout with power between 170 and 190 watts. Meta AI will create the workout and send it directly to your Garmin device, so you can start training right away. During your activity, you can use your voice to ask Meta AI for real-time activity data and performance insights. For example, you can say, "Hey Meta, what is my heart rate?" Or ask, "Hey Meta, how many calories have I burned?" to know when it's time to refuel. The status LED inside the frames can help you stay on track during a Garmin workout. It will shine red if you're outside of your intensity targets, such as pace, heart rate, or power zones. When you start an activity on your Garmin device and say, "Hey Meta, start Autocapture," your glasses will automatically capture footage based on performance metrics from your Garmin device, such as distance milestones and changes in speed or heart rate. After saying, "Hey Meta, stop Autocapture," and saving the activity, you'll get a highlight video that seamlessly overlays your Garmin data. The photos or videos captured manually during the activity will also be included. You can also enable Turn On during Garmin activities to have Autocapture start and stop with your activities. Once your activity is saved, you can ask Meta AI about your performance or review stats from previous workouts to gain insights. For example, say, "Hey Meta, give me a quick recap of my ride." Or, "Hey Meta, how far have I run this week?" In the Meta AI app, you can also view an activity summary with your key workout metrics, along with recovery or training recommendations. In the media section, you can find your Autocapture highlight video. Tap the edit icon to customize the clips included in the video. You can also select stats to choose which Garmin data are displayed. In addition to highlight videos, you can also add real-time or summary stats to any photo or video taken during a Garmin workout. Open an individual photo or video and tap Stats to add Garmin data overlays. Then tap the edit icon to choose which data are displayed before sharing. That's an overview of how to use Garmin with Oakley Meta AI glasses.